Welcome back to the channel. 2026 Brabus Motorhome. Get ready, because this isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of power, technology, and unmatched comfort on wheels. The exterior of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is an absolute masterpiece. Designed with Brabus's signature aggressive styling, it combines sleek aerodynamic lines with a dominating road presence. The massive grille, carbon fiber accents, custom Brabus badging, and LED adaptive lighting give it a futuristic look. It sits on oversized alloy wheels with off-road ready tires, making it capable of gliding both on highways and rugged terrains. The extended body design offers a perfect blend of style and functionality, while automatic slide-outs expand the living space when parked. The exterior also features solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roof, advanced camera systems for 360-degree visibility, and luxury touches such as powered entry steps and a motorized awning for outdoor comfort. Moving to the interior, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is nothing short of a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. Every detail inside has been crafted with the finest materials, from handcrafted leather seating to real wood accents and ambient lighting that can be customized to set the mood. The spacious lounge area comes with recliner seats, a premium entertainment system, and panoramic windows that allow you to enjoy stunning views wherever you travel. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave, and plenty of storage. The bedroom offers a king-size luxury bed with memory foam, climate control, and smart connectivity to adjust lighting, blinds, and entertainment right from the bed. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and premium fittings that feel like a luxury spa. Everything is fully connected with Brabus's smart home integration, making it easy to control every feature with a smartphone or voice command. Under the hood, the Brabus Motorhome brings raw power combined with advanced engineering. It is based on a Mercedes-Benz chassis and tuned by Brabus to deliver an upgraded twin-turbo V8 engine that produces immense horsepower, giving it both speed and reliability for long journeys. Advanced air suspension ensures a smooth ride, while the all-wheel drive system gives you confidence on any terrain. Brabus has also included next-generation hybrid technology for efficiency, allowing for electric driving modes when needed. This powertrain not only makes the motorhome incredibly capable but also ensures that it stands apart from anything else in its class. Finally, let's talk about price. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is expected to start around $1.2 million, depending on customization and features. With bespoke options available, the price can go significantly higher, making it a true collectible masterpiece for those who demand the very best. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, a luxurious combination of comfort, power, and futuristic design. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the world's most exclusive cars and motorhomes, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.